JM Corporation part number HC13-6582TW-XRP. This complete custom speaker installation kit has been designed for the 1998 through 2013 Harley StreetGlide Ultra or ElectraGlide fairing, utilizing J&M's ROKKER XRP series 6.58-inch speakers. Spec'd at 2 ohms impedance and 200 watts maximum input, these speakers provide excellent on-highway performance. Speaker drivers feature lightweight, waterproof, woven fiber woofer cones, a super rigid metal basket, and a high-density, lightweight neodymium magnet structure with integral high-output PEI tweeters. Top-quality adapter rings and bracket hardware are included for secure and clean mounting into the fairing. Mounting hole pattern and spade electrical connections are exactly the same as the factory specification. These are the most efficient speakers you can buy for your Harley, and they will perform extremely well when connected direct to the Harley radio or used with a small to medium-sized accessory amplifier. want to thank you for your interest in our product lineup. JM Corporation has been in the motorcycle audio business for more than 44 years. This is what we do.